Hello, my dear viewers. Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 3rd of October 2024. The day is Thursday. Those who are new, please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy. I am not their employee. I'm an independent analyst who is using YouTube platform to showcase my own analysis. I am a price action analyst, or you can say technical analyst. I am using technical science to predict the future price. Just to some extent I'm right here. Okay, we are basically in next 20 to 25 minutes we'll be having a look at the major currency pairs, and we'll try to deduce the key levels of importance from there, and then we will see how we can use those key levels to our trading setups. Now it is really important to mark those key levels on your charts, because trading around those key levels really gives us a very good advantage, or you can say edge, the information edge that we need for being profitable here. So without any further discussion, let us start, and I hope that you will find it useful. If you at any point of time you think that yes, this is something that is useful to you, you can smash the like button or press that like button which is below the video. Please, let's start the session. Now before I start the session, I must inform you that everything that I am going to say in this live stream is only for information or for entertainment. It is not a trading advice. So please do your own research before you put your hard-earned money on the line. Now let's go to the risk disclaimer, and then we will hop onto the charts. Those who are new here, for them it is very important that they understand that there is a risk involved when you are trading on margin money. Okay, so Forex is traded on the margin money. If you have decided to trade into Forex, please understand the risk that is involved, and then only move on to the charts. All right, so first things first, as always, we are going to see what is happening in the US dollar index. Right now on your screen, this is the daily chart of the US dollar index, and till yesterday we were trading somewhere here, and we said that there is a possibility that the price will go and test this low 101.84. You can witness what is the high of today, 101.843. 101.843, and 101.84 was what we were expecting. Now this is in the line with the high that was made on 12th of September, and earlier on 3rd of September, and also earlier on 20th of August. So don't you think that these highs which are forming at the same level are important? Now somebody might be thinking that the price is going to get down, but the problem is that here the price has created a big fair value gap. What does it mean? If there is a fair value gap, that means there is a lot that has not been traded. So what I am now expecting in this is, I'm expecting something like this, guys. I'm expecting something like this in this one. Okay, so that means I'm expecting the US dollar to keep going up at least till the 103.33 levels. Why I'm saying so? Because if you carefully notice that previously there was a fair value gap which was traded, and this is almost the midpoint of this. So I'm expecting the price to go at least till consequent encroachment of this fair value gap on the daily. So that is my target on the upside, provided the price is able to pierce through this fair value gap to the upside, which I'm expecting next week, not today. So let us see how the things unfold. But in a nutshell, we can say that yes, the price is making higher highs and higher lows in the dollar. So what we are expecting in the pound, we are expecting lower prices in the pound. Is it something that is surprising? Yes, it is surprising for me, because I was expecting a pullback to this level and see this level holding as a resistance and then drop, but it dropped immediately today. So we did not get any chance to enter this price action. But yes, we have the possibility of the price going back to this area of 1.30016, and also maybe if it trades and stays below it, then it can also go to 1.22, sorry, 1.26648. Okay, so keep these two levels on your charts, and on the upside, if you want, you can keep this 1.3312 also on your chart, because if the price starts going up from here, it may find a huge resistance at this place and it can offer you another selling opportunity. What is happening in the euro? Something similar is happening in euro. The price went lower, but you see it is a doji candle on the daily, whereas pound is extremely bearish. The euro is saying I am not going down, so there's a possibility that it will pull back to this level before going lower. So keep an eye on the euro, although we know that the general direction of the euro will be down, because the US dollar, if it keeps pushing up, then there's a possibility that the euro will keep going down. So keep an eye on this one also. Now Australian dollar, although it is going down, do not look for selling this market right now, because it is extremely bullish. Okay, now you are looking at the daily. If you look at the weekly, you will see that last 2 weeks the price was extremely bullish, and you should not touch this market. If something is going down, this will not go down. That is my expectation. Let's see. It's loading data. Okay, by the time that is loading data, let's see what is happening in the New Zealand dollar. In the New Zealand dollar, we have gone all below all these order blocks, so I'll just remove them. We have crossed this I don't know what it was. So to me, it is looking like a break of market structure, and two fair value gaps I can see here in this market. One is here and the other one is here, although it is very small, but if you want to have a look, I can show you. This is also known as the breakaway gap. I will not go deeper into the price action, or I will not go deeper into the breakaway gaps, because I may not be knowing too much about it. But yes, understand that if the price comes back to this area, it will feel rejection and the price will go back to these lows at least. That is what my expectation is. So I am now bearish on this one, because this market structure has been shifted by a break of this candle of 0.6253. The low of this candle is taken out, so I'm bearish on this market. Now any rise, I would look for selling opportunity in this one. USD CHF has still not broken these highs. Till the time it is not broken, we cannot be sure where it is going, so we are not trading this market, guys, and we are not even analyzing this market. We need a close higher than this. Even if it closes higher, we have a problem here. We have a value gap here which may stop the price even if it goes higher from here. USD CAD also is facing the similar condition as we are expecting in the USD CHF. It has entered the fair value gap twice, but was rejected badly, and now it is the third time that it is trying. So there is a possibility that it will eventually break higher, and if it does so, then we will be looking for something like that. Okay, something like that. What about the US dollar against the yen? Well, exactly what we are expecting in USD CAD, that has already happened here. So we are expecting now something like this in this one. This is so easy price action, guys. This is so easy. Okay, we don't have to, fight with this. It is so easy. Now this is your swing low. If the price goes below it, then only we will be the seller in this market. Otherwise, we will be only buying this market. What about the Bitcoin? Who want to hold the Bitcoin now? Do you want to hold the Bitcoin? Don't do it, okay, guys? Don't do it. Bitcoin is going to dustbin for sure. So don't hold the Bitcoin. All right. So we are looking for the 49,308 and 38,548 in this market. Yeah, where will be the resistance? If the price starts going higher from here now, then this level of 66,483 will be a huge resistance. Also, there are multiple fair value gaps on the way up, so I'm not expecting the price to go higher now. It will only be keep going down. That is what my expectation is. So the Bitcoin will be cheaper for those who want to buy it now, but don't buy. Okay, what about the Brent? Yeah, This is what we were expecting, a close above 76.76 or 78 area. Now today, if we get a close above, yes, we can push towards all these 82.71. In fact, rather than 82.71, I will say you mark these highs on your charts, 82.31, and target only this one, because this may be a huge resistance, 83.74, from where the price can reverse. So I think you should get out of it if you are a buyer in this one before it lands up to 83.74. Gold, well, this fair value gap is still holding. The price went below but closed inside and is still trying to go higher. So people are saying gold is going to keep gold will keep going higher. Now I'm saying that if it breaks below 26.25, then you will be surprised how speedy the fall is. It will be like a red waterfall, I think. But right now I'm not saying anything on this because I know that there are problems around the world. So gold is being bought. It's a safe haven already. But I'm expecting something like this only and only if that happens. Boom. This is what my expectation is. Up at least $200 to $300 of correction I am expecting in the gold, but only if it breaks the recent low. Okay. Euro yen, I am not trading this market. Okay, I'm not trading this market because euro is going down and I cannot buy euro against the yen. If I want to buy, I will buy the US dollar against the yen if I want to. GBPUSD, the pound being very bearish yesterday and day before yesterday, it gave us a hint that I'm going down. So now to what extent it can go down? Well, these highs, I'm not expecting these highs to hold now. I'm expecting these lows to be taken out. 1.8889 is what I'm expecting. Now, if the price goes higher from here, the low of this green candle should be acting as a resistance now. Okay. CHF higher prices are inevitable now. The price has closed much greener, has tested the order block. So I'm expecting now 175.15 first and thereafter 177.51 in this market. So yes, what can be acting as a support? I think the highs of this candle can act as a support. Yes. All right. What about the Audi New Zealand? We are expecting 1.1058 in this one. Later on, we have higher prices, but only if the price closes above this. Also notice that there is a huge fair value gap, which will stop the prices when it will try to go higher from here. So I'm expecting 1.1058. It will not be able to cross above 1.1058 this week. That is what my expectation is. Gas, we are looking for the higher and higher prices only. A lot of reasons for gas to go higher here. Okay, a lot of reasons. Yeah. Now 3.164 is exposed in this market. EuroCAD, yeah, like I was expecting, the price will trade this fair value gap. And then we'll go lower. In the process, it can also trade the low of this green candle. And notice that it has just taken the liquidity and now is trying to go high. So it is going to take more liquidity. Most probably it will make liquidity here and then it will drop from there to 1.4576. That is what my expectation is. That's all, guys. Ethereum, you know, it will follow the Bitcoin where it goes. So there's nothing to discuss about it. Although in this breakdown, it has created fair value gap, which can be used to enter shorts into it in the long term. Okay. So this should not be green. This should be red. Okay. So this is what my expectation is, guys. That's all from my side. I know sometimes my webinar is not so meaningful. It is boring, but my levels are strong. So please mark the levels. It will be of help to you, I hope. If nothing else, at least do paper trading and see if my levels hold or not. Okay. Now, in the meantime, I also want to inform you that in the next week, like from 10th of October, sorry, 9th of October onwards, I will not be able to stream for like 20 days. So I'll be streaming again on 28th of October after my vacation of 20 days. So I'll be streaming till 8th, but thereafter I will not be streaming. Okay. That's just a small information to my viewers who are there. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me those questions. I'll be very happy to answer those. And if not, I would say, like I always say, that I hope now you have a certain idea about the important levels from where the prices can reverse. And my request to you is that please do not risk more than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade. It will grow your account slower, but you will definitely be a profitable trader in the longer run. Please press the like button if you find it useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section. And if possible, please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. I wish you a good day. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Take care.